At the Bavarian restaurant, we're known for chicken dinners, hospitality. But the other thing that we do at Bavarian too is we go through a considerable amount of apples. We make apple strudel, apple pie, and our signature line, our cranberry relish. Well, can you imagine through all that process if we had to peel them all by hand? Back in the earlier times, this unit here, they purchased that in 1979, a dual apple peeler. Can you imagine the excitement the team members had when they could put the peelers down and automation came into effect? This is a very unique unit. Did I work on it a lot? Yes. But it did its job and we could run a lot of volume through it. The challenge was we had a lot of product loss because production back then, they didn't look at the little things like we do nowadays. Let's take a look at what newer technology has done for us. As you see, the last peeler we looked at, the size has gotten a lot smaller. Technology nowadays really compacts things, and what we like about this is a mobile unit. The other one was stationary. This one we can put anywhere we want. This is a prime spot for us right now and it fits well. This thing really saves us apple product, weight, we call apple weight. The peels are a lot thinner. The other peeler, we lost a lot of apple with this. And this one, it might be a little bit slower, but we're saving more apples. Let me demonstrate how easy this is to operate. If you don't put them on square, they don't peel square. So that could be the operator. So you see how the peeler peels it right away, and then it also takes it, gets to the next level, and it quarters it. And that's for our future processing.